Rahim has 17 pairs of shoes. Xander has 4 times as many shoes as Rahim. How many pairs of shoes does Xander have? So what I'm going to do to solve this problem is I'm going to really make sure I reread it to make sure I absolutely understand what's going on. So I see Rahim has 17 pairs of shoes. Xander has 4 times as many as Rahim. So how many pairs of shoes does Xander have? Do we need to know how many pairs Rahim has? No, we already know that. The question's asking us, how many pairs does Xander have? So we don't know. I'm going to write x equals question mark because I don't know what that is. But I do know x for Xander. I do know that Rahim has 17 pairs. So this, Rahim has 17, right? Rahim has 17 pairs. And I know that Xander has 4 times as many shoes. So to solve this problem, I'm going to think about out loud a little bit. So Rahim has 17 and Xander has 4 times as many, right? Am I adding 4 to that? Let me think about that. If I were adding 4, the question would say things like Xander has 4 more shoes than Rahim. Is that what the question's asking us? No. The question's asking or tells us that he has 4 times as many. And when I hear 4 times as many shoes, I know I'm going to be multiplying. I don't have 4 more shoes. I don't have 4 less shoes. I have 4 times as many shoes as Rahim. So to solve this problem, I'm going to try doing a little strip diagram. I'm going to break my strip into 4 pieces because it's kind of like I've got 4 groups, right? I'm going to put my 17 in each to get my total. So I'm going to put a 17 here, 17 here, 17 here, 17 here. Now when you see a strip diagram, I want you to think of repeated addition. So I'm going to add these all repeatedly. But 17 is kind of hard to do in my brain, so I think I might turn that 17 and make it into an easier number. And I'm going to do a 10 and a 7 because 10 plus 7 still equals 17. So actually I'm going to erase all those 17s in there. Erase all those 17s just so we don't get lost. Erase those 17s. So 17 is made of 10 and 7. Now I can deal with those numbers much easier. So I know that's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40. Do you see me skip counting as I go? And I'm crossing them off so that I don't get lost. So I've got my 40, and now I've got to add 4 7s to it. So I know it's going to go 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. Plus 7 more will be 28. So now I've got these 2 things, and now since multiplication, remember, is all about addition. You're always adding things. 40 plus 28, I'm going to move to this next slide so we've got more room. 40 plus 28. 0 plus 8 will be 8. 4 plus 2 is 28. Now, is that the only way I can figure out that my total is actually 28? No, I can try other ways. I'm going to try an equal group maybe on this page. I'll clear this. I'll try my equal groups. So I'm going to draw 4 groups. I'm going to put my 17 in each, but I'm going to decompose that number into a 10 and a 7. And I can do the exact same thing. I've got 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 plus 7, 14, 21, 28. And you see what I've got? I've got the same thing. Now let's try and see. Oh, I said 28 on this page. I meant to write 68. Silly Miss Lamb. Everybody's making mistakes. It's okay. So what we're going to do is check our work again using a different model. I'm going to use this model. Do you guys remember what this is called? Take a look at what I'm drawing. What does this look like to you? Did you say partial products? Excellent job. This is a partial products strategy I'm using. So I'm going to multiply 4 times 10. I know 4 times 1 is going to be 4. I'm adding that 0 from the 10. It'll be 40. 4 times 7 is 28.